Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform repairs safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. The spark plug is an engine component that works in conjunction with the ignition coil to start the engine. When the engine's starter rope is pulled, a flywheel, which contains permanent magnets, rotates past the ignition coil, creating a magnetic field. The magnetic field induces electricity, allowing the ignition coil to send a high-voltage pulse to the spark plug, which ignites the fuel to start and run the engine. Spark plugs can be found on all lawn and garden equipment that use a small engine to operate, from lawnmowers and snowblowers to handheld products like chainsaws, leaf blowers, and string trimmers. Due to carbon buildup and a weakened electrode, the spark plug will degrade over time, which can prevent the engine from starting. If you have trouble starting your equipment, you should inspect the spark plug for damage or wear. You can also use an ignition tester to help determine if the spark plug is defective. As a general guideline, we recommend replacing spark plugs once a year. Spark plugs are often unique to each product type and will often vary depending on the model. You should enter the full model number of your equipment or engine in our website's search bar to find the specific spark plug you need. Before you replace the spark plug, you should confirm that the engine has cooled and, if applicable, that the on-off switch is in the off position. For some equipment, you may need to remove an air filter cover or engine cover to fully access the spark plug. Detach the ignition coil wire and boot from the plug. Use an appropriate size socket or a dedicated spark plug wrench to loosen the old plug, then unthread it. Before installing the new spark plug, confirm that the spark gap is at manufacturer's specifications. You may need to adjust the plug's side electrode to match the designated gap. Now thread the new spark plug into the cylinder head. Be careful not to strip the threads by over-tightening. Attach the ignition coil wire and boot to the new plug. If applicable, replace the engine cover or the air filter cover. Your lawn and garden equipment should now be ready for use.